Well, I've never shown this before. I just got an email from one of my real estate agents here that was telling me he just closed a deal for $61,200. That was his commission cut on a luxury transaction. First luxury transaction he's ever done before. So not a lot of agents know that I do a whole lot in the luxury business. We've got thousands of closings all over the country in the luxury real estate market. Many of you know several years ago I published a book on Amazon concerning the luxury real estate market. We have a whole training, certification, that type of thing. But all he did was use kind of the quick start target marketing approach to generate his first couple of luxury listings and luxury buyers. He's got 3 transactions that are in one is sold now, so 2 more in contract. Total of 3 transactions in his first 45 days. How does that happen? It happens from utilizing target marketing with affluent individuals in your area. Now, a lot of agents don't realize the luxury market does not mean $20 million. It means double the median price range and above. So if you're in a price range that's $400,000, luxury is going to start at $800, $900 and above. If you're in the 200,000 range, it's going to start at 400, 500 and above. So the luxury market is extremely profitable if you're going about it the right way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the exact same path that he went on. I'll give it to you for free, by the way. The domain name should be somewhere here in the description. It's www.luxuryagentblueprint.com. I've never released it. Like if you look through the thousands of videos we've done here on Facebook, we've never really talked a lot about this. And I've been in the luxury market for about 13 years now. We do tons and tons in there. Many of you know I'll fly across the country to do a listing presentation with agents in various states and helping them in securing those transactions. But the fact is, for a lot of realtors, 1 or 2 transactions isn't going to make enough money for you. You've got to get yourself to a position you're doing luxury transactions that are worth a whole heck of a lot more money to you. One of the big benefits is when you're in luxury, they're not getting 20 or 30 offers on every house. They might get 2 or 3, but they're not getting 20 or 30. You can put yourself in a much better position. So if you are interested in luxury, which by the way, which do you think is better in the luxury market right now? I'm curious to know. Leave a comment for me here. Do you think it's better for you to work with buyers, sellers, or investors in that luxury market? And I'm just talking double your median price range and above. Do you think it's better to work with buyers, sellers, or investors in that luxury price range? Leave a comment here and let me know what your thoughts are. But I want you to check out this free training. It's not a long training, but it's really going to show you some cool approaches that you can use even if nobody's ever heard of you before, if you've never been in that luxury market, if there's top producers in your market area that always seem to sell those luxury transactions, I'm telling you, you're going to be able to grab a few of them utilizing this approach. So if you go to luxuryagentblueprint.com, you can just type that into your browser. And if somebody could put a link in here in the comments or whatever, that would be helpful as well. www.luxuryagentblueprint.com. You'll have to put in your email address or whatever, but that's going to give you instant access to a really cool training. And I want you to imagine for a minute, you got one deal next month. You got one transaction. From a free training, you got one transaction in the luxury market. What would that mean for you and your real estate business and ultimately your personal life as well, right? So I want to show you how that works. Check it out. Go to the website right now and check it out. And, if you've got 30, 40 minutes to sit down and learn about this stuff, I think you'll find it to be incredibly helpful. But let me know your thoughts on it. After you've been through it, you'll see my email address on there. After you've been through that free training, let me know your thoughts on it, how you're going to utilize it, how it's going to help you. I think you'll find it to be incredibly helpful. Make sure you are following this page and you have notifications turned on. Many of you know, if you go back and you look, we've got literally thousands, I shouldn't say thousands, but over 1,000 video trainings that we put in here. So thanks so much, Josh, Christina, for commenting here. I know many of you are already members with Premier Luxury Marketing Consultants. That's our PLMC certification. And tons of agents making money right now. I want you to get in while the real estate market is hot. We already know the market is hotter right now than it's ever been in the history of America. You should be making more money right now than you've ever made as long as you've been a licensed agent. There's no reason not to be making money. There's certainly not an issue with the market right now. There's only an issue with your marketing. So a couple of you that have commented here, thanks so much, David Hunt, as well. I appreciate you guys watching live. You want to make sure that you've got your notifications turned on. You're following the page and notifications are turned on so that you can get this information when it first comes out. I've got some really cool stuff I'm going to be releasing for you guys. I know a lot of you that follow all the time here, Francesca, Charlene, some of you guys here, you're going to get some really cool stuff to help you in growing your business. But the key factor, you have to implement it. Make sure that you put it in place and you start making some money from what you're utilizing here. So it's all totally free for you. Check it out. I'm going to leave that up on the luxury training site here for another couple of days. So you want to check it out right now. You probably won't hear much about it here. I'm going to send a couple emails about it tomorrow, and that's it. So again, www.luxuryagentblueprint.com. Check it out. Make this a profitable week for you. I'm here to help you with any questions you have. Just inbox me. I'm always here to help you in growing your business. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.